Just wanted to do a little shout out to Al Tools. I got me some new camping gear from there. He has lots of old tools, antiques. I believe he has some blacksmithing tools. He's a very nice guy to deal with. I got this pocket knife that will be really handy for camping. Came in this nice case. I got this custom made knife. Comes in really handy for cooking at camp. These things may be a little dirty because I have used them camp. And I got myself a nice hatchet from very sharp, works great for chopping and cutting trees. He's going to have his grand opening in his store this Saturday in Chenango. I recommend checking him out. You can check him online here, send him an email or whatever, check out his website. I would recommend going to see him.